Beers for our life, hashtag. Hashtag the fire dead body back there. Hashtag not going back there. Hashtag I'm black and I'm not dying. Hashtag let me get down. Hashtag look where I'm at. Oh shit.
In hell than serve in heaven, is that it?
Why not? Let me give you a little inside information about God. God likes to watch. He gives man instincts. He gives you this extraordinary gift. And what does he do? I swear, for his own amusement.
Chicken strips where? Huh? Oh, I mean a little bit right there. I mean a teensy tiny bit right there. I mean a teensy tiny bit right there. But you know, chicken strips. I mean a little bit right there. Damn, I love this bike, boy. Woo!
Fucking shit I be talking about. Half rapping ass motherfuckers. You think it's a game? You think it's a fucking game?